Hey everyone, welcome to Infor Learning. I'm excited to have you here today. In this video, we are going to talk about HighRadius, what the company does, the kind of product they offer, and how they integrate with ERP systems, and what it means when they says they are a SaaS product. And most importantly, since HighRadius is currently hiring, I'll also share with you guys like why this could be a great opportunity for you if you are currently looking to build a career in fintech and ERP space kind of products. Okay, so before starting the today's session, I just wanted to request in front of all of you that please do subscribe to this channel if you find my content helpful. So let's start the today's video. Coming to what is HighRadius, basically HighRadius is a fintech SaaS company that provides AI-powered cloud-based software mainly for finance and accounting teams. They are trusted by big companies like Pepsi, Walmart, Starbucks because their solution make the finance operation much faster, more accurate, and less manual. Okay, and coming to the HighRadius product, like what they are mainly offering, basically they are mainly offering the account receivable automation, so which is going to manages the invoices, collections, and deductions, so everything related to the account receivable. And coming to the second point, they are having their treasury and cash forecasting, so this is going to give the real-time visibility in the cash flow. And they have the record to record transaction, so sorry, record to record transformation, so which is going to automate the reconciliations and financial closes. So in simple words, we can say like HighRadius helps the company to get paid faster, manage the cash better, and close the book quicker. That's what HighRadius gives in their product. Okay, coming to this how HighRadius integrates with ERP. Like HighRadius is not an ERP, but it connects streamline. Sorry, HighRadius is not an ERP, but it connects seamlessly with systems like SAP, Oracle, Infor LN, Microsoft Dynamics 365, or any other ERP. So it's going to connect with the ERP application. Okay, so in simple words, we can say like when an invoice is created in ERP, HighRadius is automatically sends it to the customer, tracks the payment, and updates the ERP with the latest status. So this saves the finance team hours of manual work and ensures the data accuracy. Okay, so coming to the next slides, you'll have a question like, okay, as I have told you, HighRadius is a SaaS based cloud software. So what is a SaaS? So basically SaaS is nothing but SaaS is means software as a service. So instead of installing it on your server, you just could log in through the internet and start using it. That's what SaaS in simple terms. Okay, I'm not like going to increase your complexity in terms of understanding this SaaS. Okay, I'm just giving you a basics lame definition. Okay, and high radius being SaaS means you don't worry about maintenance or updates. It available whenever, anytime. It's scalable for companies for all sizes. So like simple example, if we take Google Gmail, you don't need to install it, you just log in and use it. So the same way radius works in the same way, but for the finance function. Okay, coming to the next slide, why this matter for the job seekers. So now here is the most important part, like HighRadius is currently actively hiring. So why should you have to consider them. Like the first point to be considered in for HighRadius is they having the fast growing company. Like they are the fast growing company. Like they have this SaaS plus AI plus finance is one of the hottest area right now. Okay, and coming to the next, ERP and finance domain exposure, you'll learn how the global companies run their operations. And the third point is cutting edge technology, as they are using the AI automations and the SaaS integration. And the fourth and most important, career growth. So like working with a product that big enterprises uses worldwide adds a great value to your profile. So if you are someone with scale in ER, like if you are someone who has a skills in ERP, SQL, finance domain knowledge, or even freshers looking to enter in the SaaS or fintech space, this is a great time to expose, to exposure in the explore the roles on the HighRadius. I'll give you a real-time example. Like I'll tell you a real-time example of, like, if we consider, let's say PepsiCo is using SAP ERP. So SAP generates the invoice. HighRadius automatically emails the invoice to the customer. It tracks the payment status through the bank, and if the payment is delayed, it sends the reminder, and updates are fed back into the SAP automatically. Imagine being part of a team that builds and supports such solutions. This kind of work you can expect at HighRadius. Before coming to the conclusion, I'll show you how you can check their careers and check the opportunity. Okay, just type here HighRadius careers. Okay, and here you can see in the careers part. Okay, here just type here. Currently I'm searching for this Hyderabad location. So here you can see in the consulting, like, so these are the current available openings. So based on your skills and experience, you can simply apply. Okay, like you can see here, they have currently hiring for this implementation consultant role. And for here also they, okay, I'm going to pin this job description and application, how you can apply this, in the description. I'm going to pin the job description and the job related queries in the description. Check out it. Okay, so coming to the conclusion, HighRadius is a leading SaaS based fintech company helping businesses manage their finance process through the automation and AI. So they integrate with ERPs, improve the efficiency, and they are growing rapidly worldwide. And since they are currently hiring, this could be a perfect opportunity if you are currently looking to kickstart or grow your career in the fintech and ERP solutions. So that's all for today, and I'll pin all the required details in the description. Please check out them in the description. Okay, so thank you for joining the today's session, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to do so. By subscribing, you'll ensure you won't miss any updates from my channel. And if you find this content as helpful, please share it with someone who might get benefit from it, and do comment if you have any doubts. So thank you all.